Today's topic is on autism, but not about autism. It's about you. Autism and self care. You, my dear parent, father, or mother, have a life too. And your life does not mean to be sacrificed completely in the hands of the child. Please remember, your child has a condition that's going to require you a decade and a half, maybe 2 decades. Parenting your child is not a prison or a responsibility, it's a beautiful shared experience. Dear Jungle. Hello, everybody. Rajni here from Sashakt Empowering Lives. Today's topic is on autism, but not about autism. It's about you. Autism and self care. And self care not for the kid, self care for the parent. Your child's autism is not your fault. Yeah. While I'm the one who's all the time harboring on this, that do justice with autism, do what is needed, take good care of the child, let the child flourish, put in the effort. But at the same time, I also want to remind you, you, my dear parent, father, or mother, have a life too. And your life does not mean to be sacrificed completely in the hands of the child, and that you don't deserve to have a good life. You deserve to go on a vacation, maybe sometimes even away from the kid, just the husband and the wife. Yes? Yes, you do. You deserve to go to a parlor, you deserve to go to a spa, you deserve to go to your yoga class, your gym class, anything that you want to do, you deserve that. You deserve the me time that will help you replenish, rejuvenate so that you can work on a long term basis with your child. Dear people, please remember, your child has a condition that's going to require you a decade and a half, maybe 2 decades. Yeah? Before you will actually feel complete independence, 100% independence. I speak out of experience. I've been into this with my son for 18 years plus now. And now I'm fully independent. So if you want to sustain it that long, you cannot burn the candle at both the ends. You are going to have to put in the effort on yourself, not on the kid, which means sometimes even delegating, allowing others. We take a great pride in this. My child doesn't gel with anybody else in the house, only he listens to me. So, what's the big good in it? It is ineffectiveness because the child is so dependent on us. And second, we are taking all the burden onto ourselves. Why? For what? It's not a prison. Yeah. So encourage your child's bonding with other people in the house. Yeah, grandparents, husband, somebody else, so that you have a holistic kid at hand who can survive without you, who does not have to cling to you for emotional needs also, and you have the much needed time to yourself. And I would like to end this short message today with just this. You do not have to feel guilty that you spent 2 hours on yourself the other day taking a facial. You cannot fill from an empty cup. Go ahead, fill your cup so that parenting your child is not a prison or a responsibility. It's a beautiful shared experience. And you have happy memories all along the way while you're parenting your kid. Hope you like the message. If you like, subscribe, share with somebody who's almost burnt out. Send it to them in time so that they can go and party and feel happy and ready to work the next day. Join with us on Instagram Live, YouTube Hindi Live on Tuesdays 7 to 7:30 p.m. The links are given in the description box below. Also, the Autism Masterclass that happens Thursdays and Fridays 7 to 9:30 p.m. Every link is given in the description box below. The books, customized books, printed books, our app, all of that you will get it there. Keep replenishing yourself, enjoy your child's childhood. Until next time, I will meet you with another topic. Bye bye.